Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Alesis Nitro Mesh module and confirming audio routing. This matters because the module must be active to route headphone output. Once done, connect the module to your audio interface or amplifier using USB or the 1/4 outputs so you have sound sources available. Make sure you find the headphone jack. Most use 1/8, 3, 5 mm, or need a 1/4 adapter. Set the master volume low before plugging in to prevent sudden loud spikes and protect your ears. You now configure headphone audio to get usable monitoring. First, select mono or stereo monitoring in the module or interface so left-right imaging matches your kit. This affects cymbal and hi-hat placement. Then adjust the headphone mix, balance click, backing track, and the Nitro kit sounds so you hear what you need. This prevents masking and improves timing. Finally, check your interface or DAW for latency settings and buffer size. Lower buffers reduce lag, which is crucial when you play along live. You finish by testing with a simple groove, gradually increasing headphone and module volumes to a safe, comfortable level so you hear dynamics accurately. If you get no sound, make systematic checks. Confirm cables and adapter are fully seated, verify the module's output routing, and ensure the module is powered. If you experience latency, change the sample rate or lower the audio buffer size, or use direct monitoring on your interface. This reduces delay and keeps your timing tight when playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.